pretty safe to say that I like to run old equipment. I have quite a few older pieces of equipment and I prefer how they run, and I like working on them a lot better than all this newer computerized stuff. I've got my tractor, which is a 1952 Massey Harris 23 Mustang. I drive a 93 Chev pickup. My other tractor is a 1957 International 300 utility, which is a good piece of equipment. And then even my chainsaw, which is what we'll talk about today. The saw I use is a ProMax 610. It was manufactured anywhere from 1985 to 1994. It's a 60cc. There's no real horsepower rating on it, but it's a pretty old school model. It does have the anti-vibration handle, electronic ignition. It's pretty heavy duty though. It weighs almost 20 pounds with the 20-inch bar on it, but it runs phenomenally and it cuts wood like crazy. You can see it's even still got the old toggle switch there to turn it on and off. This is Ivan. He's our 1-year-old German Shepherd pup. He helps me do pretty much everything. You're probably going to see him a lot if you watch much of my videos. Best thing the old ProMax has going for it. It's got an automatic oiler, but on top of that, right here, you've got a manual override. Chips we're throwing are nice, big, long ones. Exactly the way they should look. It's not too bad for a 30-year-old saw.